Hello friends, in this tutorial I am going to explain how to create a view in the SQL server. Basically there are different options available in the SQL server. In this tutorial I am going to explain how to create a view, how to update existing view, and how to drop or delete the existing view in the SQL server. So first of all we will see the definitions of the SQL server view. So you can see in SQL, a view is a virtual table based on the result set of an SQL statement. For example, if you want to get the output as a select through the select query, so you can create that. You can embed that select query into the view. A view contains row and columns just like a real table. The view in a view, the fields in a view are fields from one or more real tables in the databases. Like if you want, you can create views using by combining multiple tables in the database. So the third point is you can add SQL statement and functions to a view and represent the data as if the data were coming from one single table. Like I explained earlier, if you want, you can join the multiple tables, and you can then you can create a view using that join tables. So a view is created with the create view statement. Now we will see the syntax of the uh, create query. So you can see create view is a keyword like create table, and we have to mention the view name, and as is a keyword, definitely we have to mention that as. Then you have to add your select query in that table. If you want, you can join multiple tables. So now we will see how to create a simple view using SQL server. So for that I am going to open my SQL server. So already I have created a sample table for that, the customers table. So first we will see the available data of this customer table. You can see there are 91 records available. Now I am going to create a view by including customers names and the contact names where country equal to Brazil. So for that, first I am going to write a select query for that. So select customer name comma contact name from customers table where country equal, sorry, you have to put the enter after that, equal to, within the single quotations you have to mention Brazil because it is a alphanumeric column. So if I am selecting this one, you can see there are 9 records available. After that, before the select query, you have to include your create view statement. So simply you have to type create view customers. My view name is Brazil customers. I have to mention as keyword. So now I am going to execute this create view query. So then command completed successfully. If you refresh my view menu, you can see there is a Brazil customers view which is already created. So now what we can do is we can query the view like this. For that, simply you can execute the select all from uh, my view name is Brazil customers. So if I execute this one, you can see above previous output has come for this query also. If you execute this select query, you can see the same output is available. So likewise, you can create your SQL view, and also you can get the output from that SQL view. So after that, I will create another uh, view using the product table, and also for that I'm going to select every products in the products table with the price higher than the average price. So first of all, we will see the available data of the product table. For that, I'm going to execute the select all from products table, you can see there are 77 products available in this table. So first of all, I'm going to write that select query. Then after that, once we finalize this select query, based on that select query, we can create our view. So simply you have to select, I need to get the product name and the price. Okay, then I'm taking those data from the product table, products, then I have a condition. The condition is where price, I have to include the subquery where select avg, I'm taking the price. I have included the aggregation function. If you have any issues with the average aggregation function, I have created a separate video for that. You can watch that video. Then I am taking the average price from the product table. So hope this query will work. We'll see. Yeah, there are 25 records. So after that, what we can do is, now our SQL select query is confirmed. So then you can add your create view statement. So create view product, my view name is product, product above average price. You should mention that as. Okay, so if I execute this create view statement, command completed successfully, and if you refresh my view sections, you can see that view has created. Or simply you can select that view and you can get the same output. For that I am copying this view name like this, and you can execute. You can see same record count is there. So like this we can create simple views in the SQL server. Now we will see how to uh, update the existing view. First of all, I will show the syntax for that. So this is the create view. So this is the update view syntax. You can see earlier we used create view. Instead of create view, now we have for the update view we have to use create or replace. That is the difference between the update view and the create view. So if the existing view, if we need to update, definitely you have to mention that one. So now we will see how to update the existing view. For that I am going to use the existing views which I have created earlier. So for that, in the previous views, already I have taken this view, copy and paste here. So you can see there is a different syntax. So create or replace. Then I'm going to add another column for that where city. Okay, so if I execute this one, it will update the existing query. Oh, I think this will be executed successfully. So anyway, incorrect syntax. Yeah. Actually, there was a syntax error. So instead of using create or replace, you have to use alter view. So with the Oracle databases, we have to use the create or replace, but in the SQL server, we have to use alter view. Sorry for that. So you can see command has successfully executed, and also you can get the if you want to check the output of this select query, simply you can get this select query here, and you can get the output by including city column. Earlier there was no city column, but now we have the city column. So likewise you can update the existing view. So now we will see how to drop the views in the uh, SQL server. So simply you can use the drop view, and you have to mention the view name, then easily you can remove the existing view from your databases. Now we will see, we will go to the SQL server and see how to drop your SQL view. Simply you can use drop view. Sorry, you have to mention the view name. You can see there are two views. I am going to view the product above average view. So simply I will copy and paste this one and execute this query. You can see command completed successfully. So if I execute this select query, definitely there will be a error message. The message will be the object name invalid object name. It means that view is not no more available with this view sections. You can see that view has removed from the SQL server. So hope you have clear with this SQL server view section. So if you have any questions, any suggestions and any thoughts, you can put on the comment section. Thank you.